Hey guys, it's Josh with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I've got a brand new Boston whaler to show you. It's a 2027 190 Montauk. It's the 19-foot model. Comes paired with a tandem axle galvanized trailer. It's in the white hull color. We've got our chrome graphics down the side and our chrome whaler logo there on the back. Got a stainless steel rub rail insert on the white rub rail. Got a swim platform with a boarding ladder, and this boat has a 150 Mercury on the back of it. Let's climb aboard, we can take a look at some more features. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 190 Montauk. We're right here at the console. This boat has our leaning post with the live well up underneath. It is painted blue on the interior. Up here on the helm, we've got our binnacle and JL audio. This boat's got JL speakers throughout this boat. We've got our switch panel and our gauges up here as well. We've got grab rails down on either side. We've got the forward and aft cushion package. So we've got the rear backrest and the seat cushions as well. This T-top is powder coated with a blue canvas on it. And we've got the front cushions up in the bow as well as the cooler. This boat's also equipped with the fishing package. So we've got the pre-rig for the trolling motor up front and a tackle center over here on the side of the console. If you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.